Welcome to the Datagrid Reports tutorial, designed to guide you through the creation and modification of reports submitted from mobile devices within your account. The reports interface serves as the hub for addressing questions from your forms and form sections, as well as selecting the appropriate report layout for applying these responses. Additionally, you have the ability to designate recipients for report delivery. To access the report's user interface, simply navigate to your main account page, hover over Manage, and select Reports. At the top right corner of your Reports page, you'll find two prominent green buttons. The Explore button facilitates seamless navigation through your entries, offering extensive filtering options such as form, year, work order, contact, site, owner, binder, author, and option container. Meanwhile, the New button allows you to initiate the creation of a new record. The row at the top of the columns allows you to set search criteria to filter your page results below. Each line features a checkbox on the left, activating the green buttons at the bottom left: Copy, Push, and Delete. Additionally, 4 green buttons to the right of each line offer options for Print, Edit, Push, and Send. The Page Navigator on the bottom right facilitates navigation between pages when additional pages are present. Now let's delve into the structure of reports by reviewing a pump inspection for the fire life safety industry. There are 12 page tabs below the report title. At the top right are 2 green buttons. The Report button will start a new report. The Browse button will take you back to your reports list page. The far left drop-down tab allows you to create a new report, push the current report to one or many mobile devices within your account, copy the current report you're working on, print the current report to a PDF, and delete the report entirely. The Details tab allows you to edit your report title and alphanumeric number. Convenient links to Form and Form section enable direct editing should you need to make adjustments. Next, you may change the option container your report is mapped to, provided you chose to map it to one when you created it. You also have the option to map or remap to a mobile layout, allowing you to filter your questions based on your preferences. To illustrate this functionality, let's consider an example. Suppose the current report is not mapped to a mobile layout. When we navigate to the Data tab and scroll down, we'll see all the questions available for the pump test report. However, upon returning to the Details tab and selecting the mobile layout, Pump Inspection Flow Test Only, and then refreshing the Data tab, we'll notice that only the flow test questions are now available for response. This feature empowers you to swiftly tailor your reports, focusing solely on the data that is relevant in various scenarios. Following the mapping options, the next elements in the Details tab are the recipients, including contact, site, and owner. Notably, you'll observe that both recipients and mobile layouts feature direct editing links. These links prove invaluable when fine-tuning a new account or implementing changes for new policies and procedures. Essentially, they enable you to edit your custom mobile app in real time and instantly push the updated version to your mobile devices. Lastly, you have the option to add a description and comments for additional context. The Data tab, housing the questions, offers filter options for a focused view of answered or unanswered questions. The View tab provides a quick overview of answered questions. In the Graphs tab, you'll find visual representations generated from your data entries if you've opted to include graphs in this report. Here, for instance, we observe a pump flow test graph showcasing both a theoretical curve and the actual flow test curve. The Work Order tab allows you to link an existing work order to your report. The Cross-References tab allows you to link reports created in the same form, which will facilitate easy recall for comparison. In the Sub-Reports tab, you'll find reports linked as sub-reports within your form section. This feature allows for the swift creation of associated reports with a simple click of the plus sign. For example, here we observe the pump inspection deficiencies linked as a sub-report to the pump and flow test report, as referenced in the Details tab. Within the Binders tab, you can explore binders where you wish to include this report. To select a binder, simply click the Browse button on the right. From there, you have the option to add binders individually by clicking the Add button to the right of each row. Alternatively, you can add multiple binders by selecting multiple checkboxes on the left and then clicking the Add button at the bottom left. Within the Recipients tab, you can review selected recipients and send the report immediately to designated recipients. The Delivery Log tab offers insights into the history and details of report deliveries. In the Print tab, you have the flexibility to choose your report layout. You can opt to print the standalone report, print it with sub-reports, or print the sub-reports only. Additionally, you have control over various formatting options, such as top padding and ribbon printing. Furthermore, you can inherit options from the sub-reports to streamline the printing process. Thank you for exploring Datagrid's Reports tutorial. For more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrid's powerful features, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.